What is up, internet? Back again in the shop. Happy holidays and all that. We decided to treat ourselves to something really cool. And I know it's been long awaited. You guys have been wanting to see coilovers on the all road. But just got this bad boy put up. Used a Hilti drill to drill all this 4-inch reinforced concrete. It's all squared up. Matches all of the measurements that come in the handbook. Got all the arms and everything over here. So basically at this point both posts are set up. They're where they need to be. My bad. And all we need to do is run these cables through, get some hydraulic fluid, and then we should be good. Once we get it rolling, we'll test it out on another car, and then we'll throw it on, and we'll do these BC Racing coilovers on it. So if anyone wants a link to this, wondering what kind of lift it is, it's APlus Lift. It's $1,700. It's rated for 10,000 pounds. 2-post hoist. Weighs 1,227 pounds. And we'll see how it goes. Some cool shit about to come out of this shop in the near future, so stay. Wait, before I go, here's the bug.